This video will help to learn shape, which is one of the elements of design of landscape garden. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos posted here. Shapes are two-dimensional objects created by lines, textures or colors. They have length and width. They can be viewed from one angle. Shapes may be organic or geometric. Organic shapes are natural shapes found in nature. They are the shapes of plants, animals, birds, mountains, rivers, etc. Geometric shapes are mathematical shapes which include circle, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, etc. Shapes may be positive or negative. Positive shapes are shapes of the objects. Negative shapes are shapes between the objects. Forms are three-dimensional objects. They have length, width and height. They can be viewed from any angle. Trees have columnar, oval, vase, weeping, pyramidal and round forms. Round and oval trees are used for shade. Columnar and pyramidal trees are used for screening. Weeping tree is used as focal point. Shrubs have upright, spiky, rounded, vase, mounding, arching, irregular and cascading forms. Mounding and spreading shrubs are used in masses. Cascading and vase-shaped shrubs are used as specimen plants. Ground covers have sprawling, short spikes, spreading, clumping and matting forms. All ground cover forms are used in masses.